Smart air travel tips. You'll be glad you knew flying is one of the most efficient ways to travel, but many travelers overlook simple strategies that can make their journey smoother, safer, and more comfortable. Whether you're heading out on your first flight or you're a seasoned traveler, here are 7 practical air travel tips that can upgrade your experience. Stay warm at the window. Window seats offer beautiful views but are often the coldest spots on the plane. Outside, air temperatures can plummet to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, and that chill can seep through the cabin walls. If you love the window seat, remember to bring a light jacket or ask the crew for a blanket to stay cozy. Be careful with in-flight drinks. While that cup of coffee or tea might sound tempting, it's smart to skip hot drinks on a plane. The water used often comes from onboard tanks that aren't cleaned as frequently as you'd expect. Opt for bottled water or juice, which are safer choices for staying hydrated. Disinfect your space. The dirtiest spots on a plane aren't in the bathrooms, they're right in front of your seat. Tray tables and seat back pockets collect germs, trash, and sometimes worse. Bring disinfectant wipes to clean your tray, and avoid placing food or personal items directly on the surfaces. Choose morning flights. If you want to avoid delays and turbulence, book a morning departure. Early flights are less prone to ripple effect delays that pile up throughout the day, and the air tends to be calmer earlier, making for a smoother ride. Get better service in the back. Many passengers flock to front row seats, but those seated near the rear often enjoy better service. Flight attendants can offer snacks, drinks, or blankets more discreetly in the back without drawing attention. While you may deplane a bit later, the extra attention can make up for it. Use special meal requests. You don't need dietary restrictions to request a special meal like vegetarian, kosher, or gluten-free when booking your flight. These meals are often fresher, served earlier, and sometimes even tastier than the standard options. Just make sure to select it in advance when you check in. Skip the shorts. Though it's tempting to wear shorts for comfort, airplane seats aren't the cleanest. Wearing long pants, like jeans or joggers, keeps you warmer and protects your skin from the hundreds of passengers who sat there before you. Bonus tips for smooth travel. Pack a pen in your carry-on to breeze through customs and entry forms without borrowing from strangers. Sit over the wing to reduce turbulence if you're a nervous flyer. Download your airline's app for real-time updates on gates and delays. Bring an empty reusable water bottle to fill after security. Save money and stay hydrated. Carry a power bank, so you're not stuck with a dead phone at boarding. Browse flight deals in private mode online to avoid price hikes. Use seat review sites to choose the best spot on the plane. Final thought: airports and airplanes have plenty of quirks, from hidden fees to underused amenities. A little preparation can go a long way toward making your next trip more enjoyable and stress-free. With these tips, you're set to fly smarter, cleaner, and more comfortably.